Writing sentences is a fundamental skill in both verbal and written communication. A sentence is a set of words that conveys a complete thought and contains a subject and a predicate. The ability to craft clear and effective sentences is crucial for conveying information accurately and persuasively. In this overview, we will explore the different types of sentences and sentence structures and how they contribute to effective communication and writing. Simple and complex sentences. Simple sentence. A simple sentence contains one independent clause, which means it has one subject and one verb and expresses a complete thought. For example, the dog barks. Complex sentence. A complex sentence includes one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. These sentences use subordinating conjunctions like because, since, which, or although. For example, although it was raining, we went for a walk. Objects in grammar are nouns or pronouns that give meaning to the subject and verb in the sentence. There are primarily two types. Direct objects receive the action of the verb directly. For example, in she reads the book, book is a direct object. Indirect objects indicate to whom or for whom the action of the verb is performed. They usually come before the direct object. For example, in she gave him a gift, him is the indirect object. Types of sentences. Structure. Simple sentence contains a single independent clause. Compound sentence contains two or more independent clauses joined by conjunctions such as and, or, but. For example, the sun set and the stars came out. Complex sentence contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Voice. Active sentence. The subject performs the action expressed by the verb. For example, the chef cooked the meal. Passive sentence. The subject of the sentence is acted upon by the verb. For example, the meal was cooked by the chef. Function. Declarative sentence makes a statement. For example, it is a sunny day. Interrogative sentence asks a question. For example, is it a sunny day? Exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotion. For example, what a beautiful day. Imperative sentence gives a command. For example, close the door. Writing a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and coherent, and that are all related to a single topic. Almost every piece of writing you do that is longer than a few sentences should be organized into paragraphs. Paragraphs can contain many different kinds of information. A paragraph could contain a single idea, with sentences to support the idea, a series of facts or statistical information, a narrative or story. Components of a paragraph typically include topic sentence, supporting sentences, concluding sentence. Understanding the different types and structures of sentences and how to effectively organize them into paragraphs are essential skills in writing. Whether in simple or complex forms, active or passive voice, each sentence type serves a purpose in communication. By mastering these elements, writers can enhance their ability to communicate ideas clearly and effectively, making their writing more engaging and persuasive.